My dear learners, welcome to you on online class. I am going to discuss about narration of imperative sentence. In the previous class, I discussed about order, advice, request. Today, I am going to discuss about proposal. If the reported speech begins let's or let us, it is imperative sentence of proposal. Let us. The sentence begins with let us. This is proposal or suggestion. So, we shall use proposed or suggest, suggested or proposed. That inverted comma is omitted and that will be used as connector, that they should go out for a walk. This is assertive sentence. It will also be changed into assertive sentence. Another example, let us drop the matter. It is also proposal. So, he proposed to me, proposed to that we should drop the matter, This is proposal. If the sentence begins with let but not us, another object, let me, let him, let her, let them. If the sentence begins with let me, let him, let her, let them, it is not proposal. It may be considered as request, or we can use told. He said, let me go. This does not express proposal. It is request, told or requested that he might go. Might or might be allowed to can be used. Might or might be allowed to can be used. It is also The reported speech, the indirect narration is considered to be the assertive sentence. Now, I'll discuss optative sentence. Optative sentence. Succeed in life. This sentence is optative sentence. If the reported speech is optative sentence, we shall use prayed or wished. Wished. Listener or object will not be used here. Only inverted comma will be omitted. That is used as connector, then subject. It will also be changed into assertive sentence. So, subject according to the object or listener of the reporting speech. I might succeed in life. Succeed in life. This is another example. He said to us, may God bless you. May God bless you. He prayed that God might bless us. This is optative sentence. Now, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses sorrow, joy, emotion. Emotion expressing sentence is exclamatory sentence. Hurrah! We have won the game. Hurrah! The sentence expresses delight. So, he exclaimed with joy. That inverted comma will be omitted, and that they had won the game. Corresponding past tense. Present perfect has been changed into past perfect tense. If the sentence begins with exclaims wonder, he exclaimed with wonder. That It was a very nice bird. Very nice bird. The sentence has been changed into assertive sentence in the indirect narration. Always assertive sentence. How? If the sentence begins with how fine the picture is. He exclaimed in wonder, with wonder, that the picture was very nice. Exclamatory sentence. Now, if the reported speech expresses sorrow or grief, alas, I am undone. He cried out with sorrow that he was undone. He was undone. Expresses sorrow or grief. Another example. Alas, my mother is no more. He cried out with sorrow that his mother was no more. No more. This is. But students, exclamatory sentence has already been finished. I will discuss another chapter in the next class. So no more today. Thank you very much.